This is Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. Does diesel fuel expire? How long does it last? Diesel fuel is a staple for many industries and individuals relying on machinery and vehicles powered by this efficient source. But have you ever wondered, does diesel fuel go bad? How long can it last before losing its potency? The composition of diesel fuel and various environmental factors play a crucial role in determining its shelf life. Understanding the nuances of diesel fuel degradation is essential to ensure the optimal performance of engines and equipment. Factors such as water contamination, microbial growth, oxidation, and temperature fluctuations can accelerate the deterioration of diesel fuel, leading to potential issues if not addressed on time. In this post, we will delve into the intricacies of diesel fuel longevity, exploring why it's vital to monitor its condition and storage practices. By unraveling the mysteries of diesel fuel deterioration, you'll be better equipped to maintain the quality of your fuel supply and prevent potential disruptions in your operations. Stay tuned as we navigate the realm of diesel fuel stability and longevity to keep your engines running smoothly. Understanding diesel fuel composition. Diesel fuel is a complex mixture of various components that play crucial roles in its performance and longevity. Understanding the composition of diesel fuel can shed light on its properties and behavior over time. Hydrocarbons in diesel fuel. Hydrocarbons are the primary components of diesel fuel, constituting about 75% of its composition. These hydrocarbons, such as paraffin, isoparaffins, and cycloparaffins, are responsible for the energy content and stability of diesel fuel. The higher the hydrocarbon content, the more energy the fuel can provide when combusted in an engine. Additionally, hydrocarbons contribute to the overall stability of diesel fuel, influencing its shelf life and resistance to degradation. Sulfur content in diesel fuel. Sulfur content is another critical aspect of diesel fuel composition. Historically, diesel fuels contained high levels of sulfur, which contributed to increased emissions of sulfur oxides, SOx, when burned. Modern diesel fuels have significantly reduced sulfur levels to limit environmental impact. High sulfur content in diesel fuel can accelerate fuel degradation over time, leading to issues such as increased acidity and corrosion in fuel systems. Understanding and controlling sulfur content is vital for mitigating negative impacts on fuel quality and engine performance. Additives in diesel fuel. In addition to its base components, diesel fuel often contains additives designed to enhance performance and preserve quality. Common additives include stabilizers, which help prevent fuel oxidation and degradation, and biocides, which inhibit microbial growth in fuel systems. These additives play a crucial role in extending the shelf life of diesel fuel and maintaining its integrity during storage and usage. By incorporating specific additives, diesel fuel manufacturers can optimize fuel quality and ensure consistent performance in various applications. By comprehending the roles of hydrocarbons, sulfur content, and additives in diesel fuel composition, users can make informed decisions regarding fuel storage, usage, and maintenance. Understanding how these components interact and influence fuel behavior over time is essential for maximizing the longevity and efficiency of diesel fuel in diverse applications. Factors affecting diesel fuel degradation. When it comes to the lifespan of diesel fuel, several factors can significantly impact its quality and efficiency over time. Understanding these key elements is crucial for ensuring the longevity and performance of diesel fuel in any storage or usage scenario. Exposure to air and moisture. Exposure to air and moisture is a primary factor that can accelerate the degradation of diesel fuel. When diesel fuel comes into contact with air, it undergoes oxidation, leading to the formation of harmful compounds that can compromise its chemical composition. Additionally, moisture content in diesel fuel creates an environment conducive to microbial growth, which further contributes to fuel degradation. To mitigate these effects, proper storage containers and conditions that minimize air and moisture exposure are essential. As we conclude the first part of our two-part series on whether diesel fuel expires, we hope you found this information enlightening. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll continue the discussion and explore the step-by-step process of handling expired diesel fuel. Until then, may you continue to explore, learn, and maintain your diesel vehicle with confidence. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.